All right, we're back. Got the kitchen done. Got the counter in and finished. Got the little cupboards in. I haven't put the handles on. The handles look like this. There's going to be two of them here. Got the little magnets installed to close it and keep it closed. They're pretty strong. Got the little counter up here done for the coffee cups. And then on the inside, I think you can. Wife's holding the light for me. Turned off. Then on the inside we got the entertainment center coming together. Got the cabinet doors built out here. That go in there. They turned out really nice. Nice grain. I kind of hand-picked the grain for them. But slow as it goes.